Good day traders, this is Jason from Sureshot. Today I have another exciting forecast for you as we focus on the gold and look ahead to the upcoming week. But first, let's quickly recap what happened last week to get a better idea of what's coming next in the gold market. If we look at last week's price action, we can see that market started with a pullback to the 50% level from this swing leg. Then it pushed higher and also liquidate this equal high, and it also created another high, sweeping out this liquidity. If you look at here, then we can see that market didn't close above this swing high, just weak through this and pushed down heavily, causing a change of character in the market. And again, from that point, we can also see that at Thursday, probably, gold pushed down one more time heavily, taking out this weak swing point and also mitigating this demand zone. Now, if you look at high time frame like 4 hour, we can see that on 4 hour, if you hide all the drawings, we can see that this was the last 4 hour swing point. This was lower low, lower high, and lower low. So market is almost near to take out this 4 hour swing and causing a 4 hour change of character. If we can spot that, we can pretty much show that market will be bullish for a long time. And looking at current market structure, we can see that market has also created an equal high liquidity to that will be used probably after once the pullback is finished. If we draw film from the swing leg, we can see that market is almost near to this red line, which is and 50% fib level, and also it aligns with the refined demand zone from the 15-minute, this one. So let's summarize gold's forecast for this week. Gold's this week bias is potentially bullish, as we can see market caused change of better from this point, and most probably will target this equal high liquidity to go even further up, mitigating this large open imbalance. If we look at high time frame, we can say gold is not showing clear momentum. As you can see from the 4 hour, gold is pretty much in a consolidation phase. It's not creating a high or low properly. Since NFP pushed gold upwards, as we can see here, hopefully we'll be looking for intraday long setups after the pullback is finished. Based on the current technical standpoint, I believe that gold will continue its upward trend this week. Let's see how the market unfolds this week for gold market. It's always important to consider multiple viewpoints when making trading decisions. Remember, forex trading carries risk, so staying informed and managing your risk wisely is the key. This wraps up our gold forecast for the upcoming week. Make sure to subscribe our CHoCH channel for more valuable forex insight. Wishing you all successful trades. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll catch you in the next video.